Hey guys, we're back with another video, iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max. All right, this video is going to be about how to make your battery lifetime last longer. Now, one of the keys is for the battery to last longer, you're going to not want to always charge it to 100%. All right, so to do that, what we're going to go to is settings. Then we're going to go to the battery. And as you can see, I'll just show you guys real quick. This actually does tell you your battery life. So then, hold on, we're gonna go health. And as you can see, it says manufacturing date was September 24, and my first use was October 24. So in case in the future you get a older or a used phone, you can check this out. And because Apple makes it so that it's very difficult to change the battery, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the battery settings. So remember, we went to settings, and then now we're gonna go to battery. And once we go to battery, we're gonna go to charging. And once we go to charging, you'll see it says charge limit. So you can just put it to 95 if you want. But if you're someone that uses your phone a lot, then maybe you wanna even like go lower, 85, 80, because you're constantly charging it anyways. Like say you're using it for work at the office. And as you can see, I'm going to demonstrate right now. Oops. We're going to go back into charging. So I'm going to go to 100. Change charge limit. Keeping your charge limit below 100% helps preserve your battery lifespan over time. So it even kind of warns you in a way. So do I always want to charge it to 100? Well, that's up to you. You know, if you don't use your phone that much, if it's not like your main source for work and everything, yeah, keep it on 100. It's not that bad. So, for example, today I need that 100%. I'm going to Disneyland. I'm going to a theme park. I'm not going to be able to charge it. I'm going to maybe just charge it to 100. But otherwise, I might keep it below that. So I could just do today allow only until tomorrow, and then change it back to 95. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to do this with the camera. All right, change to 95 or 90. But anyways, yep. So just wanted to show you guys how to make your battery last longer or give it a longer lifespan. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.